I recently signed up for Sword. It's offered through my healthcare digital physical therapy program. So today I'm going to show you what they sent me in the welcome package. So here it is. Came in a few days, and you could track the shipment through the Sword Health app. Just comes in this box. I've already opened it up. So this is what it says. Be your first session. Please read the instructions and carefully charge the tablet and motion trackers. I was hoping I'd get a big tablet, but it's actually a small tablet. I'm not sure if you can even use it to do anything other than tracking. So you have some motion trackers. More motion trackers. This one says for the chest, thigh. So it tells you where you need to put it. Gets more sensors. I didn't figure out what these are. Five of them. So it looks like chest, shin. This one doesn't say anything. Shin, thigh. Maybe there's an extra sensor in case you lose it. Comes with the charging cable for the tablet. Holder for these little sensors. Looks like the sensors you have to charge too. This looks like micro USB. So I guess you take this and attach it to this. These are just the band holders. And then underneath here, I guess they want to make it as mobile as possible, so you can just carry it in this case. Regulatory guide. Sword starting guide. Instruction manual. So I guess when you're done with this, you're supposed to send this back. Here's the tablet. I don't know what the brand maker of this tablet is, but it's like a 7-inch tablet. That's it.